I think a lot of times people get overwhelmed. I have to do everything at once. It's all this, to go from 3 appointments to 28 appointments in a month, like she had to change everything massive. It had to be this big, big change. And in reality, it was
so
like
tiny.
itty bitty things.
The first time was hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then after, you know, you hear yourself say this piece of the script that sounds funny to you, and then you say it and you just kind of cringe and get through it, and the person on the other side of the phone is like, oh yeah, that's great.
I remember exactly, because you're like, you told me, you said, well, Matt, that's not how I talk. I said, okay, well, how does Heather talking, how is that getting her an appointment? Right? And you're like, all right, you got a point. I'm like, okay, just trust me, just try it.
I'll try.
But the script, the 3 words were, I guess it's 4 words.
Won't that be great?
Won't that be great? And you're like, I would never say that. And I said, well, a real estate agent that sells a lot of real estate sells that. So do you want to be that person?
Right.
And you tried it. And you told me, you came to me afterwards, like you had this biggest grin on your face, and you said, Matt, I asked them, won't that be great? And sure enough, they said, yeah, that would be great. And I'm like, isn't that crazy how it works, right? Like, of course, not every call is going to go like that, but I think like things happen for a reason, and that was like the eye-opening moment that you needed to give you that confidence to help you adopt that mindset of it's these little itty-bitty changes that make a big, big difference.